Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where it's different. I know this is not gaming. Well, I'm gonna have to set a gaming session. What section? Couldn't see that, so. But no, I can't actually really be playing games because all the stuff I can isn't really working right, so I can't. If I would, I could. If I could, I would. Yeah. If I would, I could. But I would, so I could. You know, if I... I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm not helping. So, welcome to part 1 of building lessons with me. Yeah. Right, okay. So, you're gonna want to start off by, if you're in Notepad or text edit on Mac or whatever Linux has, or text for Chromebooks, then you're gonna want to type in at the top doc type, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML, but make sure it has those little tags, like, the nom math things, greater than, larger than, smaller, I hope. So that way the computer knows what it is. So, these, are called tags. Tags are what make up the code. They're elements, basically. So, let's make, I guess, your first website. This is a better experience if you have Notepad or text edit, because for me, I was upset because it wouldn't look like a real website, but then I figured out how I could, and it was great. Did that an hour ago, I want to say. Right. So yeah, and then hello world. And then to close it, you do the same thing, but a slash before the P. Nope. Ooh, caps, it's red. Sorry. Oops, I need a P there. Oh, I guess that means it won't work. Whatever. Okay. So, we're starting out, we're going to want this. You can put whatever you want in. Then, save. Save. Don't ask what the Nightmare Diamond is. It was a Minecraft challenge I tried, that I made, and it was terrible. Right. So you can name it whatever you want. Hello. Sure, okay. Make sure it says HTML at the end. If it doesn't say HTML, you gotta make it say HTML. On Windows, press where it says either TXT or all files. Make sure it says all files and not TXT or docs or anything like that. Alright, so now that you got that, you just save it. And then go back to the files on Chromebooks and maybe other stuff. You gotta double click on it with 2 fingers. Press open with. Instead of pressing text, press view. Boom! There it is! Woohoo! Oh, excuse me. You have made your first line of code. A good thing for writing code is HTML Fire and CodePen. CodePen.com, I think, is one. Yeah, this is the one. And on the Chrome Web Store, HTML Fire. You can get it on everything, including Chromebooks. Which I find that not the point. Okay. So, now we're going to go a bit deeper. Okay, so you're going to want to put the doc type HTML at the top. And now, H, which stands for heading, and then the size. So we're going to go with 1, the biggest. Let's put my first ever website. Then close it with the ending tag. Remember, the nom greater than or smaller than things. And then a slash before each one. It's an important factor. So now we're gonna say with the P. I think it means paragraph. I have made my first ever website. Isn't that cool? Show off a bit. Then close it with the closing tag. Then you're golden. So let's save that. Then open it back up in the view thing. Booyah! I did it. Here's the old one. Just 10 text says hello world. Text, whatever. Close enough. Booyah! My first ever website. I've made my first ever website. Isn't that cool? I don't know. 5 minutes. Okay. Now we're gonna go even deeper. Don't go too advanced. So, what was I gonna do? I forget. So, pretty sure. List. Let's list some stuff. Here, I'm gonna make a new one. Yep. Let's put doc type HTML at the top. Remember, uppercase doc type and then lowercase HTML, then close it up. Now we're gonna go for that each one, and then let's go with I like games. Sure. Then close it. It's the ending tag. Now we're gonna go still big but smaller. Like though. Instead of putting H1, you're gonna put H2 and then say, let's talk about why or something. Sure, I don't know. Then the normal closing tag slash H2. Now a new one we're learning again. You're gonna put in li close. And I think there's one OL, which will make it a numbered list. This is like those dot lists you get in fancy emails. You know, like with a little dot at the end, not a period. You probably, hopefully know what I'm talking about. But, yeah. So, I personally don't like the numbered that much because it's easier to just type the code in myself, but whatever. And if you want to do, like, the next line, you can put UL. So, we'll get more into that later. This is just part 1. We don't gotta go so crazy. So, let's say games are fun. Something, I don't know. Then do the closing tag. Now, as our second thing, we're going to put I like fun games. Sure. Nothing fancy to make sure that the computer knows, oh hey, they're listing multiple stuff. I gotta do something here. So, you don't really need to do that. Close it. And what you're meant to do, but I haven't ever needed to do, but I guess I should probably put that in. At the top, you're going to want to put HTML under doctype HTML. I don't really ever do this, but that's probably just because I'm lazy and it still works, so I don't care. Just being honest. Right, so then put body. And then you're supposed to do, but you don't really need to do, I don't think. When you're done, you're going to want to put body slash body and then slash HTML, the, tag element thing. And then we're good. Now, let's, where is it? What is this? Yeah. Save as. We're going to put a fancy list. Ooh. What? No. Okay. Okay. I gotta go fast. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. What am I doing? That. Oh no. And there it is. I did something wrong. Don't know what I did, but we're gonna have to end the video like right now, so I can't talk about that because the screen recorder has a very low timer of